This is a hair tutorial for Collingwood School of Dance. We're going to start out with a ponytail and finish with a classical bun. So I'm going to start by wetting the hair. This is the hair that our students should have for all of their classes, excluding hip hop. Every other class should have this kind of a bun. This is the hair that all of our students will have for performances, competitions, and picture day. And Jordan has very thick hair. So if we can do this hair, you can do any hair. So we're going to start by pulling it back in the ponytail. Before I actually put in the elastic though, after I've wet the hair, I'm going to add gel. And we want to add this to smooth all the little bits right up to their hairline. So you want to get right in there, all those little wisps. We want to pull them back, glue them down. So we want to pull that all along the front of the hairline, and then same thing with the bottom. So we're going to just lean forward. So we want to pull up right from the cheekbone, and that's exactly where your ponytail should be. So it's the crown of your head. So your hand here will slick right back and grab the hair. So if you're down here, your ponytail's way too low. Start out with a really good, secure ponytail. So we have a nice, strong elastic. So if this is a prima class performing in one of our performances or picture day, this is the end for you. You just have to do a high ponytail, but it needs to be in line with the cheekbone. Okay, so we've got lots of hair, lots of water and gel slicking back the hair there. If there's a hair piece, it goes in the top right of the ponytail. Okay. Now we're going to continue on with our classical bun. The trick here is not to twist the hair really tight and wrap it around like this. We want it to be nice and loose, and we want to wrap it around itself, mimicking a cinnamon bun. So more like this versus sticking this underneath. That's going to make the hair pull out of the head, and we want to keep it really flat to the head. Okay, so in preparation, I'm going to put the hairnet on my hand here. And Jordan's bun is going to be huge because she has a lot of hair. So we're very loosely going to twist the hair, very loosely, and I'm going to use this hand to keep it flat. And then I'm going to continue with the rest of the hair. Take the elastic on the hairnet, pull it underneath. This hairnet has a hole, but you can still use them once they have a hole. I wrap at the top, and then I loop that elastic underneath again. I wrap it, so I'm taking it here and I'm twisting it, and then I grab the bun again. Now for Jordan, we're going to use two to keep it really secure. So I'm going to take that hairnet again and the elastic, tuck it underneath, pull it around, twist it, pull it over, and then whatever's left over, I'm just going to twist underneath. So now you can manipulate the bun a bit and make sure that it's really flat. We don't want those knobby buns or those sock buns that really stick out of the head. That's not classical. We don't use that for dance performances. So now you want to take your hairpins. This is a bun pin. Okay, this is for a hairnet. This is a bobby pin. Do not put a bobby pin in your bun. It's not going to hold. So the trick is to press those tips together. They don't have to touch, but you don't want them spread out like this. You want them closer together. And you want to stick both into the bun, grab the hair, and then press it into the hair elastic. We put one at the top, I pull those together, poke both into the bun, grab the hair and push them into the elastic, one at the bottom, and one on either side. And then you can also put one in all four corners. And that's our classical ballet bun tutorial. You can see the bun is in line with the rest of her head. It just comes out a tiny little bit, and it's in line with her cheekbones.